Hi guys, welcome back. It's Victoria and I'm here to talk about my third trimester. Finally doing an update. I am going to be delivering hopefully in 2 weeks and 5 days, and I am really over it. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. So this third trimester, how it first started and how it's been going, I feel like in the beginning of third trimester it wasn't too bad. I feel like I got like spurts of energy. I felt great, I felt motivated, but now it's hard, honestly. I just have so much more back pain. Like, I know I mentioned it in my first trimester, like getting up like an old lady. Yeah, it's over that now. Yeah. And feeling like a whale. So like every time I'm in bed and I'm flipping over, it just feels like I'm grunting the whole way to turn to the right, and as soon as you turn to the right, up, bathroom. So that's the other thing that's been going on, is like at nighttime you don't sleep. Well, I don't sleep at least, and I'm up like I feel like it's time now, because I'm looking at the clock, and it's like I use the bathroom when let's say if I go to bed at 10 o'clock, I get up at 12, and then I get up at 2:30, and then at 4 o'clock, and then again. So yeah, I think my brain automatically knows, and anytime I want to turn, I'm like, no, but I have to, because I start getting this side pain, and I'm just like, no, I don't want to turn, because if I turn I have to pee. So that is what's been going on. But baby kicks and movements are so much more stronger. They have been weirdly towards the right side of my stomach. She is head down, but her kicks are more towards the right. She hasn't been in my ribs, thank God, because with my first daughter, she was completely in my ribs the whole time, and this one is just kind of like hitting the side of my stomach. So she's been behaving. But let's see what else. My nausea is back. It hit, I say, around week 35. My nausea started coming back, and it's just been not fun, because it's kind of like first trimester all over, except with the food. I'm not getting sick with certain smells of food, but the nausea would just hit me so random. Like, I'll just be sitting there and I don't know where, I'm like, ugh. But it does hit almost every time. Now I'm in week 37, and every time I eat, usually I get like really nauseous. So it's just like, I don't know, like that's just one of the things now. Like, it doesn't matter what it is. It could be like something really healthy, or honestly, breakfast, lunch, dinner, the nausea is automatically afterwards and right before bedtime. So that's not fun. My heating pad is no longer helping my back. That was like my lifesaver. Like, I would put the heating pad on my back and it would help so much, but now, no, it's not doing it. It's not doing nothing. What else? Let me see. I have been having those spurts of energy. Like, I guess you could call them the nesting stage, where I have been trying to do so much, and I get these spurts of energy, and I want to get so much done. Like, the bedside nursery I have, it's completed, and I think I'm going to do a video on that, because I have it set up so nicely compared to my first time around. So this one, I have a few more things to get, and then I think I'm going to do a video about my bedside nursery, because and she is going to be sharing a room with my daughter, but for the first couple of months, because I want to be attempting, hopefully succeed, breastfeeding. I am a little nervous about that, but I really want to try this time around, because I feel like the first time I wasn't as knowledgeable. Like, I didn't really know too much. I felt discouraged. I definitely wasn't keeping myself hydrated, and then the postpartum depression the first time around kind of knocked it down like overwards. Plus, with Olivia, my daughter, having the tongue tie, lip tie, it was difficult. So this one, I'm hoping it just goes more smoothly. I've been studying videos, I've been watching more stuff. I have everything I need pretty much, so I'm hoping this time. I haven't been leaking or anything, so I haven't had any sign about that. I know some women they do start leaking a little bit earlier, but I haven't. Yeah, so I'm just pretty much excited. I'm waiting for her to come. I am just kind of like, sometimes I just feel over it and I just feel sad and it hits me, like the random spurts of sadness hits me. And I'm hoping that's just normal because I just get so scared. I do not want to get the postpartum depression again. I really want to enjoy this pregnancy. Like after I give birth, I want to enjoy the baby. Like, but the postpartum depression, I hate it. Like I think back and I'm like, that it really killed like the first 2 months of the bonding time with my daughter because I was just so sad and just it just, I didn't like it. So this time I feel like I'm getting like overly stressed. Maybe I'm overdoing things. Like I'm trying to have everything 100% perfect and I have my mindset like that, and that's what's probably stressing me more out. So I know I need to like step back and relax. Everything's completed. We have everything for the baby, thank God. And I just need to basically be patient and wait for her to come. The maternity or pregnancy belt, I should say, has been helping because she's heavy. It feels so heavy even though they say that she's small. I have another appointment next week and they're gonna do another measurement because she was measuring a week behind this whole pregnancy. So it's been consistent, so they're not really too worried about it. So I'm hoping next week they'll tell me how big she is. I just feel like that she's not going to be as small as they say, but we'll see. But yeah, if you have any questions, you could comment below and I probably will remember something. Like if you have a question about a symptom you're having, who knows, I probably had it too and I just can't remember because baby brain. But yeah, I am gonna show you my belly and how. Okay, so my camera died. So I'm just showing you this little clip of my belly and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions, please comment and subscribe. I will be doing a new video of the bedside nursery and I hope you guys have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye bye.